Hello and good afternoon, guys. It's me again, Oluwatosin, and I'm bringing you insights for the market for the New York session 27th of May 2026. And you can see filtering based on euro and dollar alone, only excluding low impact news. We have our DCB financial stability review, which was done by 9 o'clock. That was the only impact news, medium impact news we have for the market today. And moving to the charts, and like I predicted already, we are going to read the previous day's high, and we tested view up to reach that. I was able to actually get the trade very early before the session open, before the London session open. I left 20% later covered by 815 at these lows. Just stopped out for a even trade after taking up 80% at this high. As soon as previous day's high, this is the trade. Got 80%, close 20%, and broke the low of the opening range in the morning. So Euro USD still looks like more upside to come. The only problem with this one is the fact that the dollar is strong, and that is so not good. And right now we are trading below VWAP as well, and we seem to be having issues crossing VWAP. So the idea for trade for the session would be continue to find resistance around this. The highest probability trade would be to look for a break of a VWAP here and look for more upside. Maybe even targeting the second standard deviation here at 1.6480-ish. Be a good trade to the downside. We continue to find resistance at VWAP during session open. Downside may be possible. I'm not too optimistic about that, but that may be a possibility when you take it. Taking it back to a value low here may be a problem. So I'm not so sure, but just be careful about shorting this one. And there's no impact news to drive the market crazy. Gold. So the talk is about this one. This is the talk of the town right now. Many people are questioning gold status as a safe haven asset, and I believe sometimes earlier this year, last month or 2 months ago, I was watching a man's analysis of the performance of gold as a safe haven asset. He said it's actually good as a safe haven asset, but when it comes to times of inflation and interest rate hike, gold does not perform very well. And those are the two conditions that are combined with the socio-economic development in the Middle East right now, which is making me have doubts about gold being a safe haven at this period of time. So if you look at daily chart, considering where we started this year from and where we've been, gold is now is now in a very bearish uh, situation. So this year we went off, did 29%. That's a good return on return on investment for investors. Maybe profit taking and co. If you didn't take profit right now, you'll be sitting on a plus 3%, which is still good. But many people will look to sell it if they still have the position. And so good right now is the downside. And in the morning I was looking for a break. I was hoping this candle will come. No, not a candle this big. But we have a break of the low and retest. One possibility, a mean reversion at the session open, not here, not 9 o'clock, at 8 o'clock. We didn't get that as well. And I was looking at this candle. When we started going upward, I was hoping we'll reach view up at least. Even if one view up, this candle still could be by 12 o'clock then. We didn't get that, so this is 12 o'clock. And any retest right now would be considered a retracement currently. And what I want to do this session is short into strength. If you have strength at open, strength at anything, no matter why I take, I just short into strength uh this afternoon. So gold still a short, but wait for a trap for people. Wait for the market to seem bullish. And people enter you short and use a decent stop loss. That should be good. Don't hold on to trades too long. as well. This one is very crazy, very volatile. Although I'm not anticipating any upside on this, except shorts. But the upside, this is very difficult to trade to the upside. Though. But if you do have a 15 minutes candlestick close back above the second standard deviation, that will be a show of strength, and especially if it's around session open, and we continue to take 15 minutes high, that will be a good long. US Tech, Nasdaq, this one is just flying. Nasdaq is just flying. Another level itself, I've not been able to trade it too much this week in this period. That's because I had some nasty trade last week that was just taking me out. And I was waiting for the setup that I back tested last week this week. We've not gotten that. So right now, still a long on Nasdaq. The only thing I see here as a level we may potentially come back to will be this gap right here, this low volume node, as it is called, and somewhere around here. So this is the node I expect to hold to the downside. I'll not be willing to trade above standard deviation at session open. I expect perhaps a flush like this one, maybe now not to view up today, but to this low volume node. So let me just click this. So this is the idea from around 30,100, 110-ish should be a good long. So that is it guys for this afternoon. Good luck and good trade. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now. Stay safe. Don't blow your account.